This is the Niagara C7700DF-1 dual flush vessel for the tank model number N7714T-DF. So, kind of breaking this thing down, looking through the center, your flush valve, you're going to plug right in there, and then you see on that left side, you got bolt hole. If we flip to the bottom, it'd be a little bit easier. Flip to the bottom, got bolt holes here. Tank to bowl gasket would sit here around this little flange or tab. You got a connection for the water supply. And over here you've got your stealth dual flush, and then it also shows the gallons per flush with a half or full flush, which is 0.5 to 0.95 gallons. And then you've got your little Niagara logo and emblem right here. And getting a couple dimensions of the part, we're going to try our best to get a total length. So measuring to the longest point to longest point. I want to measure from the end of that supply connection to the end here. Grab a longer tape measure. Perfect. So longest point to longest point, we are right at about 12 5/8. And we can also measure across from the longest point. We're right at about 9 inches. And then let's flip it down to the bottom side. We'll measure this opening. Measuring inner diameter, we're right at about 2 3/4 inches. Okay. Once again, this is the Niagara C7700DF-1 dual flush plastic vessel.